Bitcoin update here on the 15th. So huge move since November. I haven't done an update in a while. It's been about 3 months. It's up 62% in those 3 months. And the question is, did it bottom yet? I think it's clear that this was a 5-wave move right here that topped. We know that because of how far it's retraced. So this would be a very corrective move. And I think it is a corrective move. I actually have it labeled WXY. If I go to the daily time frame, so we have WXY, pullback X, and what's key is on WXY moves, it can't go past the 1.61 fib. That's sitting here around 12,000. So if we go back to the weekly chart, or actually we can look at it right here. It looks like to me that this is an A move right here. A, B, well, I guess WX as well. The question becomes, is this actually finishing up a B wave right here, and we're going to see a move down lower to 12,000? I think that there's a few clues. And one of them is this X move ends at 48,958. The top is actually right here at 66,956. That's about a 18,000 difference. This is actually A, B. That's why I say this is the top right here, even though it went higher. So $18,000 difference. $18,000 less than 33 is 15,000. So we went to 15,000, already hit that. And so I think that it's more than likely that Bitcoin has bottomed. Could come back down here if this ends up being an ABC move, but again, that would be such a small move that it doesn't make any sense. And then we zoom in here on this wave right here, and we get a 5-wave move here, in which the target is up here at 25.8 to 26.7. But the thing about this is it already hit the 200-day moving average on the weekly. So I think this 5-wave move could potentially be finished here at 24.9, but I think there's a very good chance it bottomed already. And so if you're looking to buy into Bitcoin, then we're looking at potentially a pullback all the way to here at 20,240 all the way down to 19.1. So I think that this first wave should have solidified the bottom. 5-wave move. This would be a first wave right here. And we're looking for a pullback into this area for a second wave. And so, yeah, I think that Bitcoin, very good chance it bottomed. And I'd be very surprised at this point if it actually comes back down here. And I went down on lower time frames, and I had to change the whole thing. I had a different count a while back. And so I'm pretty confident in this count. But if you want to get in, you're still have a chance to get in, probably around 19,000, maybe even the 0.78 fib around 17,525. But again, it's probably going to be somewhere around the 0.61 fib. And so you're still getting in at 19.1 when the bottom was at 15.3. So pretty good deal. I'll probably be buying some more there for sure. And the next move after that, let's say it topped right here. Next move should take it all the way up to a minimum, but probably more, to be honest. Probably the 2.61 fib here at 40,000, maybe even the 3.61 fib, 50,000. So I think there's a very good chance it bottoms. Look for a pullback. If it goes up a little bit higher, targets are going to be 26 to 27,000. You can move up the second wave target a little bit. So pretty much, if we're looking at the whole move here, if this is a first wave and this is a second wave, all those targets that people have been talking about, we're looking at a third wave that should go to a minimum of 110,000. So that means if this is the beginning of a first wave, it's probably actually only a first wave of a first wave. Because again, if we go to, say we go to 30,000, pull back, probably get up here to like 35,000, that would end up being the overall wave 1, pull back, and then we get like a huge move higher, blah, blah, blah. You know, you get the point. But the overall theme is basically 110,000 to be the third wave target. And that could take years. This third wave could take a long time. It could take till, this one took what? Pretty much 4 or 5 years. We could be waiting all the way to till 2030, and this could go to the 2.61 fib. It could go all the way up to 175, could go to 240, etc. You get the point. The third wave is usually the most explosive, so we know this is going to at least go to 110,000 if it's bottomed here. And yeah, I don't want to put any like crazy targets on it right now, but that's just a normal third wave. If it bottomed here, there's a lot of upside to catch. So I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe for more updates, and maybe I'll do another update here soon when we get a pullback. Kind of go over where I think it's going to land for a second wave. All right, have a good night. Let me know what you think in the comments.